Hey friends, welcome back to Sidzart, and after a long break, finally I'm back. I know it was like pretty long, but so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful dreamcatcher earrings as you can see on your own. So let's start today's tutorial. So first of all, to make these beautiful earrings, you will need some rings. Generally, metallic rings are used for dream catchers, but I couldn't find that. So here I'm using these plastic rings, and you will need some embroidery thread. You can choose any shade you want. And now all you need to do is just tie this thread from one end to this ring and make sure to tie a tight knot. Now you need to wrap this thread all over the ring such that the ring is covered completely. Once whole ring is covered completely, you need to tie a knot with these two threads that are left. Then cut off the excess thread and secure this knot by using some Fevicol. Tie one more thread to this ring as we need to make the design of the dream catcher. And just like before, I'm cutting off the excess thread. And I also passed a needle through this thread as you will need it to create the design. All you need to do is that create a section like this and then take out the needle from it. Like I'll do that once again. Create a loop like this and then take the needle out from the bottom of the ring, and here you will have these knots. So create these at equal distances so that your dream catcher will look symmetrical. You need to follow this exact pattern throughout the ring, so once you know how to do it, it's quite easy. Okay, so once you have reached exactly where you started, now you need to insert the needle into the section that you created and take it out from the center of the ring. Like insert it into the section and then take it out from the center of the ring. You need to keep on repeating this step of inserting the needle into the previous sections that you created. And you know what? Whenever you will pull this thread, you will see a beautiful design coming out. And now that our design is so close to complete, like I'm satisfied with it, so we will need to tie a knot here, like insert a needle into one of the loop and then take it out from the same loop, and here you have a perfect knot. Just stretch it as much as you can, and now just cut the excess off, add some Fevicol on the knot, and here we have our design completely ready. Now you will need some jump rings. Attach one jump ring on the top of the dream catcher, and we will attach 3 jump rings at the bottom because I will add 3 feathers to it. So for adding the feather, first of all you will need to pass a piece of thread through the jump ring and create a tight knot so that it is secured and this won't move. Now you will need a white pearl like this and pass it through the thread. And here comes the most important part of dream catchers, which is a feather. And so I have just added a little bit of glue on the top of this feather, and I will slightly slide this into the pearl and wait until it gets dry, and then I will cut off the excess thread. And this is how it looks. So let's attach 2 black feathers to it as well. So since I'm going to attach 2 small black feathers, so I will take a mini pearl for this. And here we have our feathers. Let's glue this. And similarly, after gluing the second feather, our dream catcher looks like this. And now it's almost ready, and all that is left is just a French hook. So let's add this as well. And finally, our gorgeous looking dream catcher earring is ready. Ta-da! So here's how both the earrings look like. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also leave a comment down below. And if you want to buy these earrings, you can contact me on my socials. So bye bye, see you until my next video.